In this video I'll show you how you can apply a screen protector, a hydrogel screen protector. This video is for someone who got their phone scratched, or maybe you just want to protect your phone from the beginning, which is a great idea. And if you want to see more videos like this one and also other interesting how-to videos and how to make things better for yourself, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell, ring the bell to get notifications so you don't miss any other videos from our channel. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, a like to support the video, and also let us know that you enjoyed this video. This is the hydrogel screen protector I have. Actually, I have two of them, and they have their wipes. There is 1 and 2. It's different levels of how to remove the dirt. And inside here we have the hydrogel, and it's a bit more complicated than the glass one. So you have to press the line, and then there's the tag film, and there's the bottom part and the top part. And yeah, okay, let's see the hydrogel. Yeah, this is the part that will attach first to the screen, where it says remove me. And I should have used, actually there are guide stickers for this. See, those stickers are for setting up the screen protector perfectly aligned to the phone. And there is also this thing, different packages, they would have different things, but this one I had, it's not the greatest. I mean, it says it's really high percentage alcohol, but it leaves a bit of traces. And yeah, I'm gonna use isopropyl alcohol 99%, and just so you see the difference, this is how the isopropyl alcohol dries. You can watch it dry, you see it drying, and there is nothing behind left. Trying to use this, you should do this in a dust-free environment, but here I had to do it quickly. Not much way to get rid of the dust, but this part of the kit helps. I was able to remove a lot of these dust particles by just pressing down on the glue stick and removing them like that. And here, before even peeling off this first sticker, I should have really aligned it really well, but okay, I try to do it. The most important thing here is the front facing the selfie camera. Make sure that the hole in the screen protector aligns really well with the front facing camera, and it's not to the side, so it won't cover or block it in any way. You see, now I have a last chance to remove the dust particles, the lower side of the phone, and in a smooth motion, avoiding bubbles as much as possible. And yeah, my phone is scratched, so I'm part of the people who need the screen protector because of scratches. But okay, this seems pretty good. I was able to make it worse later, but okay. Now again, using this sticker to remove more dust particles. And okay, I did a pretty good job here from my standards. Yeah, it could have been better, I guess, without these bubbles here, but I could just press them out gently to the side, and that's really few bubbles here and there. Sometimes there is a dust particle under the screen protector and you see a bubble and you try to push it out and it won't go, like this one for example. And I made it much worse here. I decided at some point that I'm going to, for some reason, I will try to remove it, but I made it worse. Anyway, at this point, I removed the top of the screen protector, and now the hydrogel screen protector is applied. It's there. It's very thin and it feels really good to the touch. I like it more than the glass, but watch what I'm doing now. I mean, I'm trying to peel peeled the screen protector. Oh no. Anyway, this is how you see that it's how thin it is. And I have a great tip for you actually here later on, because I was able to get a lot more dust under the screen protector at this point because of what I was doing right now. So you shouldn't really be doing this. If you get a dust particle under the screen protector, just live with it. Just get used to it. You will be fine. Try to ignore it for a few days and then you won't even notice it. You won't care about it. But if you do this, you might as well remove it completely. But if you don't want to remove it completely, what I did, I used a bit of alcohol, just regular medicinal alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and I was able to remove, or actually I used even this for the hands, and I was able to remove those dust particles because this corner of the hydrogel was it was sticking out because it wasn't sticking as it should. I removed it like this. You see, it's already kind of sticking out, and eventually with cleaning it like this with the cloth only made it worse. But using a bit of alcohol there and just your fingers without any cloth or anything, just rubbing away the dust particles and then pressing it down with the finger. No need to have any fancy tools like this. It's not fancy, it's just a piece of cardboard. But anyway, if the corner peels out a little bit, use a bit of alcohol on the corner to remove the dust particles. Press it down with your finger and it will stay. Now I'm actually looking at my phone. It's the same phone. It's perfect. I mean, okay, not perfect, but see how it's much worse now than it used to be before. This is what I meant. But actually I was able to remove most of those dust particles after a few weeks of getting used to it. It seems like you can peel the hydrogel screen protector and when you put it back, if you use a bit of, maybe even water, I'm not sure if even clean water would be fine. I didn't try that. But a little bit of alcohol really fixed it. I like the hydrogel. Hydrogel is pretty nice. It's very thin also. You can't really feel it. The glass was really thick. I could always feel it under my fingers that it's there. The hydrogel is really thin here. I didn't apply it perfectly to the camera, but it was very close to covering the camera. I didn't do it, so that's nice. Also, if you use glass or hydrogel, make sure you use a screen protector that would cover your whole screen. The glass screen protector I had, it wasn't covering the whole screen. It was really not great. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.